Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you a different way of using a key card in a pretty basic card trick that pretty much anybody can do. There's really not a lot of skill involved in this one at all. So you have your regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator select a card. They can just tell you when to stop as you riffle down the cards like this. Let's say they stop you right there. Take that card, they look at it, remember it, don't tell you, okay? You take their card and just lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. You have no idea where it is, but if you give the cards a magic tap, you can make one card turn face up in the card. Look at that, the 5 of diamonds. Was that your card? No. Well, maybe the 5 of diamonds is telling me that your card might be 5 cards from the top. So let's just count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. Look at that, the 6 of diamonds. Was that your card? It was. Amazing. And then look at this. We have 4 cards here, and amazingly enough, these happen to be the 4 aces. And that's the face-up key card. Now, before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to all my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're looking to support this channel by becoming a channel member, you can do that all through YouTube and the links provided below. And now, a message from Not Teller.
I am not Teller, but I do want you to visit thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some great magic tricks and accessories to add to your collection. That's thebestmagicshop.com.
All right, face-up key card. Simple, just key card principle. Key card principle is usually you know what the bottom card is, and you can use that to locate any selected card by just doing simple cuts, throughout the deck, because it doesn't mix up the location of the cards. It just, the order from how many from top to the bottom that they are. That's all that does. This one is a face-up key card, so you want to get the 4 aces, and then you want to get a 5 card. It could be any 5. I use the 5 of diamonds. It could be 5 of spades, 5 of hearts, 5 of clubs. You take these, line them up with the aces face down. Your face-up key card will be here, the 5 face up, and then just put all those cards on the bottom of the deck. Now, you have those cards, and you want to keep them in this order on the bottom of the deck. So you can riffle shuffle, but you just have to shuffle more than 5 cards first, and you don't want to flash that face-up card when you do that. That just takes a little bit of practice. You can shuffle the deck like this once you're set up, or you can just do kind of a Hindu shuffle move where you just take cards out of the middle above the 5 stack that you have, and just keep taking cards off the top of that stack and mix up the cards like that, just to show that the cards are mixed up. Now, you have a spectator select any card they want, and they can pick any card except for any one of the bottom 5 cards. So if you're worried about, having them pick a card as you fan the cards out and have them picking a bottom card, you can avoid that by just riffling down the cards about, once you get 3/4 of the way, just stop and then start over again, and just have them tell you when to stop. And wherever they stop you, in that top 3/4 of the deck, that's where you just cut the cards and just have them select that card there, okay? So they pick this card, the 3 of clubs, you place it on top of the deck, and then just give the deck a simple cut, and that'll set the key card to be 5 above their selected card with the 4 aces below it, okay? So as long as you just do simple cuts in the deck, which is just cutting top cards off the top and placing them on the bottom, you're gonna maintain that order of the cards. Now, if you have a deck where you can kind of tell, like in this one, I can tell where the key card is, you can also do, cards where you cut off the top and then, a little bit in the middle and slide them off and then cut again. It's better when the key card's somewhere in the middle to do that. So you can just take cards off the top and then cut a bunch of cards in the middle, throw them over, and then remaining cut like that. But that's just optional to do. Just as long as you just do simple cuts, your cards will always remain in the order that you're needed for this trick. Now you spread the cards out, look for that face-up card, okay? Everything's still set because you just did simple cuts. So you look for this face-up card, which here with the 5 of diamonds, cut the cards where that 5 of diamonds is. That should maintain the order of the cards that you want them in. You say, was that your card? And they'll say, no, that's a 5 of diamonds. My card was something different. Then you say, okay, maybe we're supposed to count down 5 cards from that face-up card. You count down 1, 2, 3, 4. These should be the aces, and then this card here will be their selected card, the 3 of clubs. You can fan these face up if you want, show a regular deck of cards, and then when you turn these over, these will be the 4 aces, because that's how you set up the trick, and you can use, any 4 of a kind that you want for this trick as well. So that's just the face-up key card method. It's really neat, it's really impressive, and it's really easy to do. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I do answer the comments if you do have any legitimate questions, so usually within a day or two, and I'll get back to you. So I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.